Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Washing Tablets is probably one of the most convenient ways to do laundry. These little powerhouses promise to simplify your wash day, but do they really deliver? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of washing machine tablets, exploring their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value. Get ready to discover whether these tablets are the ultimate laundry game changer or just another gimmick. Number 5. Earth Breeze Fragrance-Free Laundry Detergent Sheets. Tired of bulky detergent jugs? These convenient sheets are the perfect solution. They are easy to use and great for both home and travel. These sheets tackle tough stains and odors effectively. They are designed to leave your clothes fresh and clean, even in cold water. This product is fragrance-free and gentle on sensitive skin. It is also eco-friendly, with no plastic jugs and a cruelty-free formula. Simplify your laundry routine with these pre-measured sheets. They are easy to pack and use, making them ideal for travel. While transitioning, your order may or may not be made in the USA. The company is scaling up its Kentucky facility. You can expect the product to be fully switched by the end of the year. For every order, the company donates detergent to shelters and disaster relief organizations. They have already donated over 300 million loads. What we like? These sheets are a game changer for anyone with sensitive skin. They are made without harsh chemicals, so it is gentle on your skin. If you are looking for a convenient and eco-friendly option for your laundry, you should consider this. What people say. Best working, smelling, economical, and long-lasting detergent you can buy. They clean our clothes just as well as traditional detergents, but without the heavy plastic jugs or messy spills. The sheets dissolve completely in both hot and cold water, leave clothes smelling fresh, not overpowering, and are gentle on fabrics and skin. Number 4. Earth Breeze Fresh Scent Laundry Sheets. Tired of bulky detergent jugs? These innovative sheets are the perfect solution. They are easy to use and eco-friendly, making laundry day a breeze. Proudly made in the USA, these sheets use high-quality ingredients. You can trust that they are safe and effective for your clothes. Don't let the compact size fool you. They tackle tough stains and odors. It is designed to leave your clothes fresh and clean. Simplify your laundry routine with these pre-measured sheets. They are perfect for home or travel, eliminating mess and waste. It is compatible with all washing machines. Enjoy the gentle, fresh scent of Earth Breeze. Your clothes will smell clean and crisp after every wash. It provides a soft touch and subtle fragrance. Replace plastic jugs with these microplastic-free sheets. They are dermatologist-tested, hypoallergenic, and cruelty-free. It is gentle on your skin and the planet. Earth Breeze is more than just clean clothes. For every order, the company donates detergent to those in need. It has donated over 300 million loads. What we like? This product offers a fresh scent that leaves your clothes smelling amazing. It is also made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. If you like a fresh scent and want a reliable laundry solution, you should consider this. What people say. Best working, smelling, economical, and long-lasting detergent you can buy. My clothes came out clean and smelled nice. They clean our clothes just as well as traditional detergents, but without the heavy plastic jugs or messy spills. The sheets dissolve completely in both hot and cold water, leave clothes smelling fresh, not overpowering, and are gentle on fabrics and skin. I have very sensitive skin when it comes to detergent, so I was hesitant to make the switch, but I have been using these for the last 2 months and no breakouts. Number 3. Tide Washer Machine Cleaner with Oxy. Introducing Tide Washing Machine Cleaner. This product is designed to deep clean your washing machine. It eliminates odors and residues, leaving your machine fresh and clean. With this purchase, you'll receive a 5-month supply of Tide Washing Machine Cleaner. The powder packets activate 20% faster than tablets, ensuring a thorough clean for months to come. Tide Washing Machine Cleaner is an effective odor eliminator. Its unique formula lifts away and eliminates odor-causing residues. The cleaning power of Oxy and TAED helps to achieve this. The powder form of Tide Washing Machine Cleaner works more efficiently than tablets. It creates a cleaning action that gets to work faster. It is also septic safe. The Oxy Plus TAED formula boosts the cleaning action by over 20%. TAED creates a cleaning super boost that works even in hard water. This ensures a powerful clean every time. Enjoy the same supercharged cleaning power with a new, milder, fresh clean scent. This leaves your washer smelling clean and refreshed after every use. What we like. This cleaner is designed to eliminate odors and works faster than tablets. It also works effectively even in hard water. If you have a washing machine that needs a deep clean and you live in an area with hard water, you should consider this. What people say. They work great and it's so easy. Just dump in, turn on WAS, and go to bed. After running a cycle with one of these packets, my washing machine smells noticeably fresher and feels cleaner inside. Regular use has actually eliminated the musty smell. Number 2. True Fresh Washer Cleaner Tablets, 25-pack. Tired of hidden grime? These tablets provide a deep clean for your entire washing machine system. They break down residue and buildup in areas regular cycles can't reach. Once dropped in, the tablet activates with water. It moves through the drum, tub seal, hoses, and filters. This ensures the entire machine is clean from the inside out in one cycle. These tablets target mineral deposits and scale inside internal pathways. This helps reduce buildup in drain pipes and improves the machine's overall performance over time. No matter your washer type, these tablets work. They are designed for all machines, including front and top loaders. You don't have to worry about compatibility. Keep your washer clean with minimal effort. Just drop a tablet in and run a normal cycle. It's that simple to maintain your machine. What we like. This product provides a deep clean for your entire washing machine system, removing residue and buildup. It is also incredibly easy to use, requiring just one tablet per month. If you are looking for a simple way to maintain your washing machine, you should consider this. What people say. The tablets dissolve quickly, reach all the hidden areas of the drum, leave the inside smelling clean and fresh. The formula breaks down buildup, grime, and musty odors that other cleaners couldn't fully remove. Users consistently say this product eliminates odors, removes residue deep inside the washer, and is compatible with all types of machines, front loader, top loader, They dissolve completely with no mess left behind, and the 25-count pack makes it easy to keep up with monthly maintenance. Number 1. Active Mold Stain Remover Gel Cleaner. This powerful gel cleaner from Active provides instant whitening and deep cleaning. It quickly eliminates mold stains and unwanted grime in minutes. The Active cleaner works on a wide range of surfaces. You can use it on rubber gaskets, washing machine drums, shower walls, and more to get rid of stains. Applying the gel is simple. Just follow the product directions for the best results. Apply it evenly on the desired surfaces, such as seals or wall lines. The Active gel solution effectively cleans and removes discoloration and buildup. It's a concentrated formula that can last up to a year per bottle. Unlike other products, this washing machine cleaner is made from simple ingredients. It has a gentle odor and won't damage your home surfaces. For best results, shake the bottle before use and apply a generous coating of the gel. Allow it to sit for at least 5 hours for stubborn stains. You may need to repeat the treatment. What we like. This gel cleaner is designed to remove mold stains from various surfaces, including washing machine seals and grout. It is easy to apply and provides fast results. If you have mold stains that you need to get rid of, you should consider this. What people say. It worked like a magic. Left it overnight and all the stains are now gone. Very easy to use. Great product. Worked amazingly and took off all the black mold in the rubber seal around the old washing machine. The instructions were straightforward and easy to understand. It did smell of bleach but not any more than expected, and this was easily dispersed with a cracked window and by washing the area after. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.